Okay, I'm back with the double knockout. I was reviewing the video of when I last did it. I saw that I kind of messed up, so I'm gonna attempt it again. I'm just gonna shuffle the deck up here. I'll shuffle it up. Cut. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the 4 kings out of the deck. Four kings right there. And y'all probably thinking that it's not the 4 kings, but as you can see, it's the 4 kings. And just gonna place them over here. And we got the king of hearts, king of spades, king of diamonds, and the king of clubs. We're just gonna lay 2 there, and then we got our piles of kings. We're gonna use the top 2 cards here, just to make this trick go a little faster than but you didn't catch my drift. Okay. Oh, look at that! Conveniently, we have 2 7s on top, so 2 red 7s. So that should be easy to remember. And we're just gonna sandwich our 7s in between here. And then, I mean, we could have chose any. Any 2 cards. We could have chose, the Ace of Hearts or the Ace of Spades. Well, that's kind of cool. Cut the aces. Or used Queen of Hearts. Doesn't matter. But okay, now all I'm gonna do is take this pile over here and gently push. Then we have push our 7 right to the pile. Do the same with this pile over here. Gently push, and then our 7s went through. And you're all probably thinking that the 7s are near the top, and obviously they're not. Or they're at the bottom, and obviously they're not. So where could the 7s be? Somewhere in the deck. And there are our 2 7s. Thanks for watching.